How to add Visa card to Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the two ways through which you can add your Visa card to your Xbox. So in the first way, all you have to do is just make any purchase of the game that you want to buy from your Xbox, and while you're making a purchase, after you're done adding your address and other details, when you proceed with your payment method, you will see this option called add credit or debit card. And here you will have to enter your Visa card number, your cardholder name and expiration date, and click on save. And there your Visa card detail will be entered in your Xbox account. And in the second way, all you can do is just click on the profile icon from the top right. And here just click on my Microsoft account. And in this way, all you have to do is just add a Visa card to your Microsoft account, and from there your Xbox account will be updated with a Visa card detail that you have mentioned in your Microsoft account. So for that, just click on payment and billing from the top menu, and here just go to payments option, and now just scroll down and click on add new payment method, and here just select credit or debit card. Now it's very simple, just add your card details like your name, your card number, your CVC number, expiration date and your billing address along with your postal code and other details, and then just click on save. So these are the two ways through which you can add your Visa card to your Xbox. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.